5 tips that can save you cleaning time and effort. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos, you surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We fold together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. Hello again, and welcome to another new cleaning video in our channel FastKlean. We always encourage you to watch every video on this channel till the end to learn more about effective cleaning. Cleaning is no one's favorite chore, but it is one that ultimately needs to get done. The reason is that the home environment needs to be clean and fresh at all times, ensuring proper hygiene and a sense of comfort. If you are the main person responsible for cleaning in your home, you want to ensure that you are efficient in your efforts. One of the best ways to do this is to adopt certain tips, which work well for speeding up the cleaning process and making it easier overall. Here is what you should be more mindful of. 1. Set a timer. Before you start a cleaning session, decide how long you will invest in cleaning. After that, you will divide the time into 15-minute chunks. So for example, you will vacuum the floors for 15 minutes, or wipe the countertops and other surfaces in your home for the same time, etc. The trick is that when you are working to meet a time target, you will have fewer distractions and more time to focus on the task at hand. Besides, if you don't like cleaning, knowing that you will only have to spend a finite amount of time on it will get you in the right headspace about the task. 2. Work from top to bottom, left to right. Another imperative cleaning strategy you want to employ is to follow the top to bottom and left to the right method. The reasoning behind it is rather simple, and yet so many people disregard it and end up doing more work. Basically, when you start cleaning a room, you will want to first tackle the highest areas of it and work towards the floor. When you do so, little specks of dust and other debris will fall down. Because you have left the floor for last, you will then finish up by vacuuming or sweeping. If you start with the floor, it will just end up messy again once you tackle the high areas. As for cleaning left to right, the idea is basically to give yourself a direction. That way you will ensure that the whole room is clean, and that you don't miss any area of it. 3. Do small cleaning tasks regularly. You probably know just how difficult it is when you have to clean a whole lot of rooms and address other tasks. To prevent this sort of bottlenecking cleaning task, you should invest just small chunks of your time when you have the option. For instance, while you are waiting for your food to get ready, do a quick wipe of the countertop in the kitchen. When you are in the bathroom, wipe the sink in a minute. Doing just a little goes a long way to minimizing the need to invest time and effort in exhausting cleaning sessions. 4. Invest in the right cleaning tools. Your cleaning tasks will only be as successful as the tools you use on the job. Don't skimp on cleaning materials and equipment. You will be more than thankful when you manage to complete a cleaning task in half the time. 5. Consider the aid of a cleaning company. When it comes to cleaning, remember that you don't have to do it all on your own. You can easily get some help from a cleaning company and finally be able to relax a little. Adopting all of these cleaning tips is a sure way to make the most of your cleaning sessions, all the while minimizing the effort. When it comes to cleaning, you can adopt several tips that can help you become more efficient in your efforts. Cleaning left to right and top to bottom is always the way to go. Setting a timer will keep you more motivated, and investing in the right tools can ensure you are on track. Don't forget you can always rely on a cleaning company to assist you. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time. Create a greener and healthier future.